Interesting. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Hi there. I'm Kit Clever. You may remember me from such YouTube shows as Skill Tree, or no, that's Skill Tree. That's all I got. Now you may be asking yourself, why are you in this totally real and not at all fake haunted house instead of making us some great nerdy how-to content? Well, the answer to that is twofold. One, madness struck me and I completely destroyed my workshop in order to make it new, in order to get it ready for a Halloween extravaganza. We've made it no secret that this time of year is our very favorite here on the show, and it's usually when we get to spend some time with you. And this year is no exception. Long story short, we're going to be having 3 nights of events for you. October 28th, which is Monday, is going to be a movie night where we all get together and we watch a movie. Then Tuesday, we're going to be streaming us playing Phasmaphobia with some friends and giving you all the option to screw with us while we do. Then our fun and games will culminate with, fun and games as Maddie and I compete for Halloween Supremacy. We will be in costume here playing a whole myriad of games while you all give us disadvantages and punishments and all these different things. We've done this type of stuff a few years running and it's always a really great time. So we're hoping we can see y'all there. In the meantime though, make sure you keep checking out the community tab here on the channel because there's gonna be a bunch of polls deciding everything from what kind of costumes we wear, what movies we're watching, and a whole bunch of other stuff that's gonna really help bring you guys into the event. Anyways, we're crazy excited to do this. It's always nice to get together with y'all and hang out. So we really do hope to see you there. In the meantime though, keep leveling up, you.